Breeze not favoring us as it did last week. Hopefully the breeze will also pick up. Fog setting in, a bit dusky day, but the players are back in action. Zishan Merchant lined up. Ball ready to be rolled back in. Chris McKenzie giving his team some pep talk out there, telling them to line up their respective side. Casper West not releasing the ball until he's absolutely satisfied that there's complete discipline on the ground. It is once again Siddhan Sharma. Siddhan Sharma with the ball. This could be dangerous. Siddhan Sharma has the ball with him for the Mayfair team. He's been assisted out there by Anesha. Anesh been called off. It is Siddhan Sharma who puts that ball up once again for Daniel Otamendi. It is Daniel Otamendi and Chris McKenzie fighting hard out there. Who will be the better one to get that ball? Is Daniel Otamendi picking up the ball? Is near side. It is Daniel Otamendi with that ball. It is Daniel Otamendi all the way. And it is Daniel Otamendi putting that ball right through the center. Polo patrons out there screaming their lungs out for their team. I'm sure Dynamics Achievers have equal number of cheerleaders. And it's Chris McKenzie coming back in jersey number 4. Ready to put the pressure back on the other side. Umpire rolls the ball back in, hits one of the players' ponies. In a melee right now, Shamshir Ali, Zishan Merchant, but it's once again Mukesh Gujjar. Mukesh Gujjar called off. It is Daniel Otamendi. Daniel Otamendi with the ball right now. Daniel Otamendi out there with Shamshir Ali. Long shot by Daniel Otamendi up to Javier goal, but I can see Shamshir Ali on a quick pony out there, breaking away, trying to check down his pony, trying to go for a backhander. Will he be able to do it? Backs the ball out there, lovely on the tail backhander. Change direction for the Dynamics. It should be misjudgment of goal, and with that, the ball rolls towards the back line. Beautiful combination of teamwork out there by the Mayfair Polo team, putting in all their efforts to make sure that they go one goal up once again the scoreboard. But luck not favoring them this evening. They missed that opportunity and the ball rolled towards the back line. It is once again Chris McKenzie with Shamshir Ali. Chris with the ball right now. Chris McKenzie has the ball, putting the ball forward for Shamshir Ali. It is Chris McKenzie, Shamshir Ali. Shamshir Ali takes a long shot. It is Daniel Otamendi with that ball right now. Daniel Otamendi and the play. It is Daniel Otamendi. Daniel Otamendi checks down his pony, but once again he's been intercepted out there. The umpires blow the whistle and bring the game to a standstill. The umpires take a decision on the call. Who for and who against. One goal apiece on the scoreboard right now. One for the Dynamics Achievers, one for the Mayfair Polo team. Dynamics Achievers in the white jerseys, the Mayfair Polo team in the red jerseys. Now the Dynamics Achievers will be defending the left side, while the Mayfair team will be scoring towards the left side. To keep the game neutral and balanced, every time a team scores on one side, the goal changes to the other side, so each of them get an opportunity to score on neutral ground. And it is a horse race out there between J.V. Goel and Chris McKenzie. Chris McKenzie checking down his horse. It is once again Mukesh comes from behind, backs the ball brilliantly for the Achievers side. Oh, and we have a bump out there, and with that bump we have the umpire's whistle. Luckily none of the horses or the players on the ground. Keep in mind, ladies and gentlemen, this is a full body contact. But a penalty once again out there, and I can see the Mayfair Polo team with the ball, a penalty in their favor. With that, the breeze picking up a bit this evening. A penalty 2, 30-yarder in favor of the Mayfair Polo team. Umpire calls play. Undefended goal out there in favor of the Mayfair Polo team. It's Daniel Otamendi with the ball. An opportunity for him to take the goal. Yet another one up on the scoreboard. Will he be able to do it? Hits first time, red flag goes up, and there you have it. The Mayfair team once again going now into the lead for the first time, 2-1. Anish Shah pretty excited out there. Putting a lot of effort into the game of polo, growing himself steadily over the last few years. Brotherly advice being given out there, and it is Shamshir Ali. But it is once again Mukesh from behind. Comes, gives the ball, but Siddhan Sharma goes for backhander. Lovely backhander by Siddhan Sharma coming right in front of the grandstand. Whoever gets that lucky ball may be able to keep it if the umpires say so. It's all up to the umpires, ladies and gentlemen. I wouldn't have thrown that ball back, but since you did, umpires, 8 seconds of playtime left. Umpire says play. It is once again Chris Chris Mackenzie out there. Chris Mackenzie picks up that ball, going towards the Mayfair goalpost. It is Chris Mackenzie all alone. Will he be able to neutralise the score? Chris Mackenzie with that ball. Chris Mackenzie with the ball out there, right in front of the goalpost. Do we have the red flag going up is the question. It is Chris Mackenzie, Mukesh Gujjar, and it is Shamshir Ali doing the finishing touches out there, putting the finishing touches, once again neutralising the game. 2 goals apiece on the scoreboard. Beautiful play out there by the Dynamics Achievers, once again making a strong comeback, neutralising the game. 2 goals apiece. 2 for the Dynamics Achievers and 2 for the Mayfair Polo team. With that, we go into the end of the first chukker. 2 apiece on the scoreboard. We will come back shortly for these
of Maharaj Prem Singh. They've been good enough to come and grace the occasion. And with that, I see that all the players are back, so I hand the mic back to Riyad Kundan.
Players back on the ground. We're ready to commence with the second chukker right now. Shyam Mehta, thank you very much for the introduction. Polo wouldn't be possible without sponsorship. It's only with the sponsorship that we have that we can actually get this going and revive this dying sport of polo. It's once again Daniel Otamendi with the ball, fighting hard, but it is Shamshir Ali comes up behind, picks up the ball, puts that ball up for Chris Mackenzie. Chris Mackenzie with the ball right now. Chris Mackenzie has the ball in the offside, picks up the ball, shoots that ball. It's Chris Mackenzie with that ball, dribbling that ball, and it's Chris Mackenzie. Do we have the red flag? Oops, a missed opportunity out there for the Dynamics Achievers. A red flag going left to right. Chris Mackenzie putting all his efforts to move that ball right through the goal, but unfortunately luck not favouring him this evening, was unable to do so. It's the ball being brought back from the back line once again by Daniel Otamendi. He first to turn, first to try and pick up that ball. Daniel Otamendi has the ball with him. Daniel Otamendi with the ball. Daniel going towards the goal mouth. He's been called out as once again Daniel has the ball, calls off Siddhan. Siddhan going with the ball, but Daniel with the ball. Siddhan trying to take off Chris Mackenzie. Ball still lying slow out there. Daniel Otamendi not releasing, but it is stolen out there by Chris Mackenzie, who released the ball. Shamshir Ali right now. Shamshir Ali on a flat out gallop. Siddhan Sharma trying to catch up with Shamshir Ali, but Shamshir Ali break away. We have a horse race out there. Shamshir Ali and Siddhan Sharma. Shamshir Ali has the winning odds on him right now. Will it be Shamshir Ali? It's Shamshir Ali all the way to Shamshir Ali, and you have Shamshir Ali. Odds were certainly in favour of Shamshir Ali. The moment he touched that ball, he knew he had that play, he had the position, he had... And the ball back in play. Ricochets off one of the horses. It is Javeed Goel clearing a foul, not being relented out there, taken away by Siddhan Sharma. Calls for all the other players. It is Siddhan Sharma with the ball. I can see Shamshir Ali in jersey number 3 waiting for Siddhan Sharma, but Siddhan puts that ball once again for Daniel Otamendi in jersey number 4. Back down there by Chris Mackenzie in jersey number 4 for the Whites. It is once again Daniel Otamendi with the ball. Daniel holding on to the ball, puts that ball up for Siddhan Sharma. Siddhan Sharma holds the ball. It's ricochets off his own horse, backfires off there, but it is Shamshir Ali first to turn, first to pick up that ball. He's unabated right now. It's Shamshir Ali all alone. Long shot by Shamshir Ali. No pressure for him right now. Will he be able to put this ball through? It's the question we got to see right now. It is Shamshir Ali. Checks down his pony. Taps the first ball. Taps the second time. Ball seems to be rolling in. And it is Shamshir Ali. What a beautiful shot that was by Shamshir Ali. A sensible play out there. Didn't speed up his horse. In fact, rather checked down his horse. He knew he had the time. He had the play. He didn't want to make any mistake. Javeed Goel picks up that ball. Javeed has the ball with him. He's being challenged by Chris Mackenzie. It is Javeed Goel with the ball, and Chris Mackenzie going for a backhander. Rides off Javeed Goel. Chris Mackenzie turns with the ball. Quick turn. His horse slips out there. Loses possession. Gains possession once again. Release that ball all the way over the heads. But it is Anesh Shah. But I can see once again it is Siddhan Sharma. Backs the ball. Turns direction for the Mayfair Polo team. Picked up by Chris's horse. Chris's horse playing a bit of football out there. Picks up that ball. Turns with that ball. It's Chris Mackenzie. Chris Mackenzie looking for the forwards right now. Release the ball. Long shot by Chris Mackenzie up to Shamshir Ali. Shamshir Ali out there with that ball right now, being ridden off by Siddhan Sharma. But Shamshir Ali picking up that ball in midair. Siddhan Sharma picks up the ball away from Shamshir Ali, and with that, it is an umpire's whistle. Next down is Pony out there. Daniel Otamendi with the ball right now, looking for an opening, being challenged by Zishan. Is Daniel Otamendi with the ball right now. Daniel with the ball. Daniel looking to put that ball through. It is Daniel Otamendi dribbling that ball. It is Daniel not releasing, not relenting under pressure. Daniel still has the ball with him. First time tapped by Daniel Otamendi. Will it go through? It's been intercepted out there. It's moving out of harm's way, and it's the ball once again out of the danger zone. It is Daniel Otamendi, missed Shamshir Ali, both of them riding over the ball, but it is Shamshir Ali first to turn. Who is that? Chris McKenzie, I can't tell right now. A little far for me to tell, but neither can you tell. It is Chris McKenzie out there. It is Chris McKenzie with that ball right now. Chris McKenzie fighting with Siddhant Sharma. Chris McKenzie and Siddhant Sharma fighting hard for that ball right now. Chris McKenzie getting the better of Siddhant Sharma. Puts that ball for Anesh Shah. It's Anesh Shah. They're going for a backhander. He's the Mayfair team and Siddhant Sharma with the ball right now. Siddhant has the ball with him. Given to him by Anesh Shah. Siddhant Sharma with the bouncing ball. Missed the opportunity. Picks up the opportunity. Siddhant Sharma once again. And it is Siddhant Sharma. What a beautiful shot that was by Siddhant. It was given to him by Anesh Shah. Anesh played a brilliant game out there. And so it was Daniel Otamendi. That was Daniel Otamendi giving the ball to Siddhant Sharma. Lethal weapon for the Mayfair team. Going for the goal mark. Dribbling the ball out there. Siddhant Sharma leaves the ball for Daniel Otamendi. Picks up the ball to the near side. Ricochets off one of the hooves out the horse. It's Anesh Shah. First to turn. Anesh Shah with the ball. Takes off his man out there. It's Anesh Shah. Beautiful play by Anesh Shah. Takes off the player. Leaves the ball for Siddhant Sharma. Siddhant Sharma has the ball with him now on the offside. Siddhant Sharma with the ball. Breaking over. Really taking out the next shot. Decides to go with the ball right now. It's once again Siddhant Sharma. His line being intercepted. Siddhant Sharma fighting hard for the ball. But once again Siddhant Sharma loses possession. Gujjar backs the ball up to Shamsher Ali. Shamsher Ali out there. Shamsher Ali and Anesh Shah both fighting hard for the ball. But it's Shamsher Ali on a quicker pony. Shamsher Ali has the ball with him on the offside. It is Shamsher Ali with that ball once again. It is Shamsher Ali. And it is Shamsher Ali making no mistake for the Dynamics Achievers. Taking his team yet
जीतू भाई का जीतू भाई मिलाए तो
DJ requests you for some music. Casper West doing a tremendous job along with Nicholas Coccini. Umpiring isn't easy. It's a thankless job. Absolute professionals on the ground when they're there. It's only because of them that we have the discipline that we do. A round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, for our two umpires. And of course the third man who's sitting up with me out here, Mr. Manuel Lorente. It's some other DJ, I do believe. One who's at the bar. A bit of the Wally Jolly for the DJ, but we're back in action. 7 goals to 4 right now in favor of the Dynamics Achievers, 4 for the Mayfair team. It is Dynamics Achievers possession of the ball. It is Chris McKenzie. Chris McKenzie has the ball with him right now. Quick to turn, has the ball with him out there. It is Daniel Otamendi fighting hard for that ball, and with that we have a whistle. The lovely peach shirt. The lovely looking gentleman in the peach shirt, along with the handsome gentleman in the dark light blue shirt. Request you to please move back. The players will get 8-4 right now in favor of
Festivities to begin, and the players will be here shortly, so we can proceed with the prize distribution. Thank you. Enjoy your evening.
ये प्लेयर्स अंपायर्स के लिए ये है स्पॉन्सर प्रेसिडेंट और वाइस
Request the president of Amateur Riders Club, Mr. Shyam Mehta, to proceed to the stage. along with Mr. Parth Imbadi.
Norton was founded in 1986 and has established its business in three sectors: real estate, hospitality and steel.
Parth, you're without your wife, so you'll have to get off again. Yeah. Yeah. So we'll request her to give some trophies. And may I request Rani Aruna Vijay Singh, please, to also come up, and her granddaughters. So Parth, this is your first time. I know you're a member of the club, so you know all about riding and your children riding. Now, would you like to say something about this evening? I have to thank you, of course, I already did many times for sponsoring the event and joining us for this evening and associating with the Maharaj Prem Singh Trophy. Please come back. And would you like to say a few words before we commence with the prize distribution?
Thank you, Sham. Thank you for having us sponsor this wonderful tournament, and thank you to the family for let us be a part of this occasion. And I don't want to take too much time, but I think polo is a wonderful sport, and it really gives us a lot of pleasure to be able to be a part of this this evening.
May I request Rani Aruna Vijay Singh to say a few words?
Well, most of it has been said about my father, but I'd like to say one thing. Wherever he is, he must be so happy to see it all still going on and with great strength, and blessing each and every one who is supporting this game. And I'd say thank you to all of you, and may there be many, many beautiful polo matches ahead. Thank you.
Thank you so much for your lovely words. And now may I request the players to please come forward for the prize distribution. And please wait.
Yeah, look here.
We'll call the next umpire, Mr. Nicholas.
वाइट ही ले रहे हो ना ज़्यादा वाइट ही तो है
Next, we'll call upon our referee for the game, Manuel Lorente. Manolo, can we have you on here? Next, we'll call upon the person who's done the toughest job on the mic, Riyad Kundanmal. Riyad, can we have you here, please? Next, we call upon the runners-up for the Maharaj Prem Singh Trophy 2023, 8 goals. Playing for Mayfair Polo at number 1, Mr. Anesha. Playing at number 2, Mr. Jaivir Goyal. Playing at number 3 is somebody who's played a very difficult game this evening, Mr. Siddhant Sharma. And the back of the team, Mr. Daniel Otamendi. We start with the winning team. That is Dynamics Achievers team. We'll start with at number 2 we'll have Mr. Mukesh Gujar. And number 3 we request Mr. Shamsher Ali. Last but not the least, we'll call upon Chris Mackenzie.
Looking good, Path. What's up, Shama?
Requesting our President of the Amateur Riders Club, along with the Vice President, Mr. Shyam Mehta and Mr. Nasir Jamal, to present a token of our appreciation to Mrs. Rani Aruna Vijay Singh on behalf of the Amateur Riders Club. We thank you, ma'am, for allowing us to host this trophy. Next, this tournament would not have been possible without the support of our sponsors, Mr. Parth Timbadia from Latim, along with his wife. Mr. Amit Dulani from Indus Farms. And Mr. Govind Bansal from Swaraj Hills. And now is the moment we've all been waiting for. It's to announce the champions of the Maharaja Prem Singh Trophy 2023. And the winners of the tournament are the Dynamics Achievers team. Request the team along with Mr. Vikram Rathod and Mrs. Parul Rai to come on stage, please. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. The bar is now officially open. We have a few lucky draw winners, so we'll just wait back before that. Request Shyam Mehta along with the wife of Mr. Parth to please. So the first lucky draw is won by coupon number 236, 236. Token number 236 is won by coupon number 151. The third lucky draw number is coupon number 165. Lucky draw coupon